Hi all. On this occasion, ground forces tell or discuss about the KC-10 aircraft, which is known as the refueling aircraft to all fighter aircraft.
So describe it as we're the jack of all trade, and we're the ones that you see at the airport marshaling in the aircraft, servicing it with gas, servicing it with oxygen, whatever it needs to fly the next line. But we're also the systems expert overall, so if we do need help with any maintenance event, something that's a little more specialized, we know about the component, we know who we can talk to get those issues fixed.
We can use tabor blend, which is like a little Dremel. We just slowly blend it down to where the blades in here that are damaged are considered good again.
It's more mission focused, 100%. Back home, most of our focus is training sorties, making sure everybody's qualified to actually come out here and do the mission. Back home, the job is pretty similar. It's just definitely a higher pace out here. We handle all the inspections, servicing of the aircraft, same thing, launch and recover. But this is definitely for the prime mission of the Air Force.
The KC-10 Extender is an airborne refueling aircraft in service with the United States Air Force. A total of 60 KC-10s were produced for the U.S. Air Force. The KC-10 plays a key role in the mobilization of U.S. military equipment, taking part in operations overseas. The KC-10 is most notable for participation in the Gulf War, where it transported and conducted mid-air refueling. The aircraft is expected to serve until 2043. On September 17, 1987, a KC-10 Extender aircraft with tail serial number 820190 was destroyed in an explosion and subsequent fire. The aircraft was in service at Barksdale Air Base, LA. One ground support crew member died as a result of the fire. The KC-10 is now the world's longest operating range expenditure aircraft. The KC-10 has a price per unit of $88,400,000 minus $88,400,000 United States dollars, 1998, and cruising speed, 909 km per hour. Engine type, General Electric CF6 with mileage 7,032 kilometers. Started inaugural flight July 12, 1980. KC-10 has a maximum speed 996 kilometers per hour and has a length of 55 meters. F-18 and A-10 fighter planes also refuel at KC-10. That's all the info from us. Thank you. Translated with www.deepl.com/translator. Free version.